Let's be honest, your focus is completely shattered, isn't it? But you can absolutely rebuild it. And this is the system. Think of it like a complete system reboot for your focus.
So, let's level up your focus with this 60-second guide to deep work.
It's all based on the game-changing book by Cal Newport. The core idea? Intense, undistracted focus is your new superpower.
Okay, level 1, you gotta build your ritual.
This means deciding exactly where, when, and how you'll work before you start. Your first quest, schedule one 90-minute deep work block for tomorrow. 0 interruptions. Level 2 is a big one. Embrace the boredom. You're basically training your brain to resist constant distraction. It builds your focus muscle. Your quest, the next time you're bored, standing in line, just don't grab your phone. Moving on to level 3, you have to drain the shallows. This means getting rid of all that low-value busy work that just drains your energy. Your quest for this level? Cut just one low-value meeting or task from your week. And now for the bonus level, a real power-up, the shutdown ritual. End your day, make a quick plan for tomorrow, and actually say, shutdown complete. This gives your brain permission to stop working, so you can truly rest and recharge. I put a PDF summary of all these quests for you in the description and pinned comment. If this was helpful, you know the drill. Like, share, and subscribe. Drop a comment. What's your one next step in the next 24 hours? And tell me which book you want next. I'll pick whichever one gets the most requests.